Well, first you're probably wondering, where did the glasses come from? I've been wearing glasses most of my life since I was about 11 or 12. I've always had bad vision. I've just been masking it by wearing contacts. And just recently I went on a trip and my allergies plus the smoke in France and Italy really just got the best of my eyes. So I'm on a little contacts break per the request of my optometrist. In today's video, I wanted to start off by saying thank you guys so much for all your support, all your kind messages. I mean, I've finally reached 1 million subscribers on YouTube and it's incredible. It's so cool, and I just want to say thank you guys because you guys have been supporting me from the beginning and that means so much to me. I really would not be where I am today had it not been for you guys, you know, always being so supportive and you know, just encouraging me all the time. So I really want to thank you guys. I just want to let you guys know that 1 million, it's a great accomplishment, but at the end of the day for me it is just another number and it's not really going to change anything on this channel. I'm still going to just do things as normal. I'm still going to crack the same amount of jokes. They're not going to be that great, some of them, but you know, at 1 million subscribers I have to just up the quality a little, you know. I mean, literally I just woke up the same way. I didn't wake up with like $1 billion stuffed into my pillow. Nothing changed for me. I don't have paparazzi waiting outside my house because, well, I'm the photographer, so I don't know how that would work. You're not gonna see me buying any new cars. There's not gonna be like a mansion tour. Maybe I'll upgrade my camera equipment eventually, even though I'm like 3 years late, but whatever, it's okay. My camera still works, so why would I upgrade? You know? Let's see, other than that, what I would like to talk about. I started race car driving. It's been fun. It's something that's very different to me. I know you guys are probably thinking, Jessica, racing cars? I know, right? It works for me. It's good. I'm good at it for some reason. I also was in a tournament a couple days ago and I did pretty well actually for myself. So I'm proud. I just was hit with a lot of stuff. People kept throwing things at me and I don't appreciate it. So if you guys could stop, that would be great. So if you're interested and you want to know more about this, it's actually called Mario Kart. If you Google it, you might find it. So I've just been doing that all weekend with my cousins who were here from Florida. We were playing Mario Kart. If people would stop throwing the bombs at me though, and stop using the thunder and the ink, we'd be golden, we'd be good. I would be getting at least 5th place. Also, Donald Trump was playing too, and he's actually not a bad racer. It could be his new thing after the presidency. It's just some guy who made his me just like Donald Trump, and it looked so much like him. I was laughing so hard. So I'm gonna just attach some footage so you guys can see that.
I'm freaking crying.
Donald Trump.
Someone did that?
Yeah, someone made him a racer in Mario Kart. So now that more than half the people who are watching this probably X out of this video, I can finally get to the real purpose of this video. I mean, I did want to talk about Mario Kart, but there was a bigger, higher purpose. If you got this far to the video and you're wondering, Jessica, why did you just talk about all that stuff? And why did you talk about Mario Kart for so long? Yes, I talked about Mario Kart, but it was a ploy because I wanted to see who was gonna reach to this part of the video. But you got something special for you guys. Hold on a second. I want to ruin this. Okay, so you guys know that I wanted to do a giveaway. If you're in my live chats, you would know that. And I wanted to do one anyways when I hit 1 million. So I actually was emailing with some people at Canon Canada and they're like, hey, congrats on 1 million subscribers. Can we send you something for a giveaway? Because they knew I wanted to do a giveaway. So they're like, we can send you a camera for your giveaway. And I'm like, mate, that would be amazing. So I basically told them that I didn't want to do any fancy like follow this and then comment this and tag 15 million people and do all that stuff. I told them I just want to do something where I just give this away to a subscriber. That's it. No following, nothing. And they were really cool with it. And so they sent me, get this, they sent me this. Oh my God, I'm like breaking everything in my room. So for the giveaway, Canon Canada sent me the EOS M50. And it comes with a kit lens, the 15-45. This would be a really good camera if you're, you know, doing photography, vlogging, all that stuff. Before I tell you guys about how to enter to win this, I just want to say a huge thank you to Canon Canada for sending this over strictly for the giveaway. They sent it over so quick. And I don't know, it was so nice of them. So to be eligible to win this camera, you had to have been a subscriber of mine before this video was posted. So August 10th, if you were subscribed to me August 10 or before August 10, you are automatically eligible. And I will be able to go ahead and check when people subscribe to me. So don't try to bamboozle me, you guys. Like I said, I have the analytics, okay? So if you are eligible and you were subscribed to me before August 10, 2018, then go ahead and leave a comment below. And also leave your Instagram handle. And just make sure to check your Instagram DMs. That's how I will be contacting the winner. So please make sure that you are constantly checking your Instagram DMs. If I message you and you don't get back to me within a day or two, then you automatically forfeit that and I'm gonna have to pick somebody else because I gotta ship this thing out, okay? So just make sure you check your Instagram. You will need an Instagram for this. It's just gonna be the easiest way for me to contact you guys. So if you don't have an Instagram, just make one. Just make anyone. You don't have to follow me on Instagram or anything like that. I will ship this out basically to anywhere in the world. I'm gonna be paying for shipping. You don't have to pay for anything. So just make sure that you're in a country that I'm able to ship this to. I know that shipping in some countries can be pretty tricky. I mean, I'm from the Middle East, so I know how the mailing system works there. So just make sure that you are able to just have this sent to you and mailed to you because I'm just going to be doing everything standard. I can't do anything fancy, with sending this out. Also, real quick, I will be traveling August 12th to the Middle East. I will announce the winner. Let me pull up my calendar here. I'm going to give you guys all 1 week to watch this video and enter. August 18th, that is the deadline to enter if you are a subscriber. Real quick, guys, I just realized I have a wedding on the 18th. It's my cousin's wedding, so we're going to do the 19th for the announcement of the winner, okay? And if you don't hear from me, it's because I don't have good Wi-Fi in the Middle East, okay? You can blame the government. So go ahead and start commenting down below. I don't care what you comment. You can comment about chips, Pokemon, popcorn, I don't know, a new movie you just watched, whatever you guys want. It doesn't have to be anything like, I want to win this camera because, I love taking pictures of leaves. And you don't have to do any of that stuff. I'm making it easier for you guys. Just do your thing in the comments below and just have fun. But if you make me laugh, it's a plus. You don't have to do that. It's not going to change your chances at all of winning. Or will it? I'm totally joking. It's really not going to make any difference. But it might. Okay, so anyways, with that said, I'm going to end this video because I'm going to keep on talking. So that's it for the video. Good luck to all of you guys entering the competition. I love you all so much, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.